Today, we're going to take one simple sentence and transform it into 5 different native-style versions. This will help you sound flexible, natural, and fluent in everyday English. The sentence we'll use is, I am very tired. Version 1, simple and casual. I'm exhausted. Native speakers often use strong, short words instead of textbook phrases. Repeat slowly. I'm exhausted. Version 2, slightly informal and conversational. I'm beat. This is common in spoken English, especially with friends. Repeat slowly. I'm beat. Version 3, adding emotion. I'm dead tired. This is natural, expressive, and very common in casual speech. Repeat slowly. I'm dead tired. Version 4, playful. I'm wiped out. Native speakers love short, idiomatic phrases like this. Repeat slowly. I'm wiped out. Version 5, very casual or slangy. I'm knackered. Used mostly in informal British English, but you'll hear it in movies and conversations too. Repeat slowly. I'm knackered. See how one sentence can have 5 completely different ways to sound natural? Each version changes tone, emotion, and level of formality. By practicing multiple versions of the same sentence, you'll stop sounding like a textbook speaker and start speaking like a native. Let's take another example sentence. I don't like this food. Version 1, simple and casual. I don't like it. Short, clear, and natural. Repeat slowly. I don't like it. Version 2, slightly informal. Not a fan. Native speakers often shorten ideas like this. Repeat slowly. Not a fan. Version 3, adding emotion. I really don't like it. Adds emphasis, still natural. Repeat slowly. I really don't like it. Version 4, idiomatic. It's not my thing. Common in casual conversations. Repeat slowly. It's not my thing. Version 5, very casual/slangy. I'm not feeling it. Used often in informal conversations or movies. Repeat slowly. I'm not feeling it. Notice how one sentence can have so many ways to sound natural. Each version changes tone, emotion, and style, but the meaning is the same. This is exactly what native speakers do. They never rely on just one textbook sentence. They have multiple ways to express the same idea. Let's try another simple sentence. I am hungry. Version 1, casual. I'm hungry. Short, natural, and everyday. Repeat slowly. I'm hungry. Version 2, a little informal. I could eat. Common in spoken English. Repeat slowly. I could eat. Version 3, adding emotion. I'm starving. Native speakers use this to show emphasis. Repeat slowly. I'm starving. Version 4, idiomatic. I'm famished. More expressive, sometimes used in storytelling or movies. Repeat slowly. I'm famished. Version 5, very casual/playful. My stomach's growling. Adds a playful, natural tone to your speech. Repeat slowly. My stomach's growling. See the pattern? One sentence can have many versions, some casual, some emotional, some playful. This is how native speakers keep conversations interesting and natural. By practicing multiple versions of the same sentence, you'll stop sounding like a textbook speaker and start speaking like a native. Let's look at another sentence. I am happy. Version 1, simple. I'm happy. Clear, natural, and everyday. Repeat slowly. I'm happy. Version 2, casual and expressive. I'm thrilled. Native speakers use this to show excitement. Repeat slowly. I'm thrilled. Version 3, informal. I'm super happy. Adds emphasis naturally. Repeat slowly. I'm super happy. Version 4, idiomatic. I'm on cloud 9. Very common in casual speech or storytelling. Native speakers often drop actually when it's unnecessary. I went to the market yesterday. Repeat slowly. I went to the market yesterday. Removing unnecessary words makes your English clear and natural. Learners also overuse literally. For example, I literally died laughing. A more natural way is I laughed so hard, or it was so funny. Repeat slowly. I laughed so hard. Avoiding overused exaggerations makes your English sound more believable. Finally, learners often overuse basically. For example, basically, I went there to study. A natural alternative is I went there to study. Repeat slowly. I went there to study. Dropping filler words keeps your English concise, confident, and professional. Another overused word learners often say is stuff. For example, I have a lot of stuff to do today. A more natural alternative is I have a lot of work to do today, or I have many tasks to finish today. Repeat slowly. I have a lot of work to do today. Replacing vague words like stuff with precise words makes your English sound professional and clear. Learners also overuse thing in almost every sentence. For example, this is a good thing. A more natural version is this is a great idea, or this is an excellent solution. Repeat slowly. This is a great idea. Using specific nouns instead of thing makes your English sound confident and natural. Finally, learners sometimes overuse like as a filler in speech. For example, I was so tired yesterday. A more natural version is I was so tired yesterday. Repeat slowly. I was so tired yesterday. Removing unnecessary filler words makes your English fluent, confident, and clear. Another overused word learners often use is awesome. For example, the movie was awesome. While correct, native speakers often choose a stronger or more precise adjective. The movie was fantastic, or the movie was incredible. Repeat slowly. The movie was fantastic. Using more precise words makes your English sound more natural and confident. Learners also overuse amazing. For example, the food was amazing. A more natural alternative is the food was delicious, or the food was excellent. Repeat slowly. The food was delicious. Replacing overused adjectives with stronger, precise words makes your sentences more vivid and natural. Finally, learners often overuse nice. For example, she is a nice person. A more natural alternative is she is a kind person, or she is a friendly person. Repeat slowly. She is a kind person. Using stronger or more descriptive adjectives makes your English sound confident and fluent. And that's it for today's video on overused words that make your English sound unnatural. As you've seen, using words like very, really, stuff, thing, nice, awesome, amazing too often can make your sentences repetitive and less professional. Native speakers often replace these overused words with stronger adjectives, precise nouns, or simpler expressions. Doing this will make your English sound natural, confident, and fluent. Remember, small adjustments like replacing vague words or dropping unnecessary fillers can dramatically improve your English. Practice saying the corrected sentences out loud and try to use them in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, stay mindful of overused words, and focus on precision in your language. Over time, your English will sound more native-like, confident, and polished. Thank you for joining me today on Talk Olivia. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video of this series.